It's time for the nation's sharpest opinion. We'll go full frame on that. And I want to talk to you about something very interesting which happened in Parliament today. And I want to begin by saying that in my view, Rahul Gandhi's biggest enemies are people who are praising him today for making the government's top ministers react. Because if Rahul continues in this way as the LOP, then the little small advance that the Congress party has made to 98 seats will be lost. Rahul Gandhi was unprepared or underprepared. He did not make a deep or detailed point on any single argument. Then he lunged at and villainized Hinduism, went straight for Hinduism, projected Hinduism as violent, which is a huge self-goal in a country that is 82% Hindu. Then he had these silly, childish comments such as, why does Prime Minister Narendra Modi not smile at me? Mr. Modi, please smile at me. These are childish comments which are not appropriate for a 55 saal ka insan, 55-year-old man. He's not a boy anymore. Then he said that Narendra Modi is not a Hindu. And overall, Rahul Gandhi appeared over-eager to position himself vis-a-vis Narendra Modi, which is probably a result of confidence after losing a little less badly this time, but which came at the cost of not being serious in his argument. Rahul Gandhi is coming across as a non-serious person. Most of his speech was a Twitter troll IT cell level argument, such as trying to taunt Narendra Modi, which is okay for a Dhruv Rathi low level of reel, but certainly not appropriate for a leader of the opposition. I mean, you can't make a difference, you can't make out a difference anymore between Rahul Gandhi and Dhruv Rathi. Further, Rahul Gandhi made major factual mistakes, which were corrected immediately, such as a false claim that Agniveers cannot be declared as Shaheed. Viewers, composure after loss and modesty after victory go a long way. Rahul Gandhi's teeny bopper type gung-ho, let's give a damn, let's hit Modi approach will get him claps from party retainers. But he has lost a chance after 10 years to correct his image. Take a look and then we debate.
Speaker, madam. Chairman. Sorry. There has been
Rahul Gandhi's debut speech as leader of opposition had the BJP looking on closely.
लोकतंत्र ने और संविधान ने मुझे सिखाया है कि मुझे विपक्ष के नेता को गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए.
A golden opportunity as LOP rapidly unfolded into a spectacle.
the Prime Minister, of course, who has a direct connection with God, speaks directly to God. Yes, the Paramatma speaks to Modi ji's Atma directly.
His hour-long speech fluttered over multiple issues, but seemed superficial. As Rahul seemed unrehearsed in the unedited format, opposition leaders looked severely concerned. His companions began to interject to steer him back.
352. A member while speaking shall not make personal reference by way of making an allegation, imputing a motive to or questioning the bona fides of any other member of the House.
Okay.
Has Rahul Gandhi made reference to any other?
The lack of specifics saw Rahul stray into generalities and terrain ridden with lack of facts. Fact checked repeatedly.
छोटे से घर में अग्निवीर शहीद हुआ, लैंडमाइन ब्लास्ट में शहीद हुआ. मैं उसे शहीद कह रहा हूं, मगर हिंदुस्तान की सरकार उसे शहीद नहीं कहती. नरेंद्र मोदी नरेंद्र मोदी उसे शहीद नहीं कहते हैं, नरेंद्र मोदी उसे अग्निवीर कहते हैं।
Having stronger numbers in parliament, the expectation was of a new Rahul Gandhi. The 54-year-old Gandhi's scion was corrected 11 times during his address. Union Home Minister Amit Shah corrected him 4 times.
विपक्ष के नेता ने भाषण में कई चीजें ऐसी रखी जो तथ्य नहीं है, सत्य नहीं है। इनकी स्पीच और ट्रेजरी बैंक से लिए गए सारे ऑब्जेक्शन को ध्यान में रखकर नेता प्रतिपक्ष को अपने भाषण में तथ्य बगैर की और सत्य न हो ऐसी जो बातें रखी गई है, इसका सत्यापन करने के लिए आपका निर्देश मिले और हमें संरक्षण मिले।
Then the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh interjected him once.
गलत बयानी करके सदन को गुमराह करने
नहीं सर,
की कोशिश
गलत नहीं है सर, गलत नहीं है सर,
लेना चाहता हूं कि
गलत नहीं है
युद्ध के
सर।
दौरान अथवा सीमाओं की सुरक्षा के दौरान यदि हमारा कोई अग्निवीर का जवान शहीद होता है तो उसके 1 करोड़ रुपए की धनराशि सहायता के रूप में उसके परिवार को मुहैया कराई जाती है। इस प्रकार की गलत बयानी से सभी को गुमराह करने की कोशिश नहीं की जानी चाहिए संसद में।
Kiran Rijiju called out Rahul thrice on the floor of the House.
इतना हल्का फुल्का कैसे स्टेटमेंट दे सकते हैं लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन? इसलिए सर इन्होंने जो बात रखा है पुष्टि करना चाहिए और हम लोग भी सर नियम के मुताबिक अपने पर रखेंगे सर।
Others who pinpointed included Nishikant Dubey, Bhupendra Yadav and Shivraj Singh Chauhan on Rahul's MSP allegations.
उत्पादन की लागत पर कम से कम 50% ऊपर एमएसपी दी जा रही है और नहीं दी जा रही है, सत्यापित करें माननीय महोदय, ये गलत बयानी कर रहे हैं, ये सदन को गुमराह कर रहे हैं, गलत बयानी कर रहे हैं। आज भी एमएसपी पर खरीद जारी है।
The BJP was prepared and clinical in its retort. Yogi fielded on the Ayodhya comment immediately.
अयोध्या को उसकी पहचान से वंचित किसने किया था? क्या सचने की इंडी गठबंधन से जुड़े हुए लोग इसके लिए जिम्मेदार हैं? और आज जब अयोध्या अपने वैभव की पुनर्स्थापना के लिए फिर से पूरी दुनिया को अपनी ओर आकर्षित कर रही है, तो कांग्रेस कैसे इसको अच्छा मान सकती है?
Top ministers dispelled the inaccuracies and demanded corroborative evidence for his remarks. Did Rahul Gandhi blow his golden moment in his first speech as leader of the opposition?